Hey guys, working on a 2014 Honda Accord Sport. Customer said that the car just wouldn't start anymore. So let's look at some things here. And we are only producing 6 volts. Alright, now if you were just a run-of-the-mill guy, you would be like, oh, my battery's weak, let me change it. Not yet. As we look over here, I see like crud, almost like metal flakes have been breaking off. And if you look at the alternator right here, right, you see that it's kind of rusty. You see that dark brown right there? That's the sign of rust or metal kind of getting hot or metal binding. So I loosened up the tensioner to take the belt off, and if you can hear that, that's what the alternator sounds like. It's not even turning. It sounds horrible. Dead giveaway. We need to replace this alternator. So let's get started. We're playing with the alternator. Alternator has a direct lead to the battery. We're gonna take off the negative. I'll also clean this up because these terminals don't look the best. Tuck it down there like that. Now we can jump to the alternator. All right, now with that being said, you get your 17 mil. I have a wrench extender, and you pull forward. When you do that, you can loosen up this belt here like so, and then we can remove it. Probably gonna have to replace this too, but just be careful not to damage any lines. Take this off. Take the 17 mil off. There's a big rod you'll see that the 17 mil goes on. That is your tensioner. So first thing here is we're going to remove this 14 bolt right here. I think, there we go. All right, I think it is ready to come out. And it's out. Good. Before I keep going, let's just remove these little clips here. That was hurt. That's one. That's two. Looks like it's 3 of them. And that's 3. Just like that. We're gonna remove this electrical connector. Might need a little bit of WD-40 for this one. All right. We're just going to spray it a little bit. There we go. A little WD-40. Always saves the day. I'm gonna remove this terminal. Let's see what size that is. 12 millimeter right here. And we're just going to that nut is out. Just like that. Pull this up, and with that we have removed all the wiring here. That's perfect. All right, tough spot, but this is a 8 millimeter hex. All right, before I completely remove this 8 millimeter hex, there's a 12 mil at the bottom. Okay. Oh boy. After a bunch of turns later, this comes out. There you go. Another long day of wobbling. And there you go. Good old tight reach tool. Always saves the day. Good. Pry bar up here. And just, she's out. Okay. So just to kind of give you guys an example, this is the 12 mil right here. This is where the 8 mil hex goes. Kind of sits in the pulley system. Tilt it. Something like this. It looks something like along the lines of that. And then once you remove this, you can access this bolt right here. So let's try turning this. It's not even turning, you guys. Can't even get it to turn. Holy moly. Yeah, this alternator is cooked. Okay, this is our new part here. Take this off. Take this sticker off. Alright, transfer your brackets here. I think I actually might have left one. That's okay. Spin your pulley. That's super quiet, super smooth. That's what we want. Now, I'm just going to slide this on. I'm not really going to go over me putting it back on. I want to save some time. But one thing I do want to show you before we go put that battery back is I like to get my little spreader tool right here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to spread this ever so slightly like that, so that when we go to put this back on, look at that, beautiful, slides on like butter. Now we're gonna put this on first. Remember, it's a 14 mil, a 12 mil down here. Then we're gonna get the pulley tensioner, and then we're gonna get that on. All right, y'all. Okay, we're reassembled. We get a 214s for the alternator. We put our positive lead back on. We put our electrical connector back on. Our clips. I did forget one on the old alternator, so zip tied it up. Put your tensioner on after. It's that I think H8 bolt. It's a hex bit. And then there's that 12 mil down there. That's in. To get your belt in, to kind of help you get to the bottom, you can come to the driver's side. If you see there, that is what a bad tire looks like. That is about to pop. But you can access the pulley behind behind that cover right there. Now let's get the battery on. All right, let's remove this positive terminal. Good. Just gonna clean this up. Get all that off. And clean this up as well. Okay, that off. That off. These help prevent acidity from building up. There's one there, one here. Nice. Get our positive terminal on. Snug her down. Don't gotta kill it, just beautiful. And this is up next. We don't have no voltage, so we're not gonna get a spark. Got a little bit hot. A little bit hot. Okay. A little bit of battery corrosive spray. Good. Now, I think I'm gonna have to jump the car to start it, but then let's check it out after we jump it. And there you have it, you guys. She's running good. She's quiet. I think the air conditioning's on. That's what you just heard. And this battery was dead. I had to jump it, so it's gonna charge up. It should eventually bring its way up to 14 volts. You gotta let this thing run for a while. Other than that, thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time, out.